Hello mga kaguro, this is Sergio, your partner and guide in troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-lock and unlock the specific cells in our Microsoft Excel file. So in this time, I'll be demonstrating to you how to lock the specific cells with a password and unlock this one so that you can protect the cells of your Microsoft Excel file. And this one, I'll be using the item analysis and NPS tool of the division of Negros Occidental. I wanted some of the cells to be locked so that my co-teachers will not be able to edit or remove some of the cells in this particular file. And I wanted to provide only the area or the cells wherein they can encode their data freely. Okay, so sundan nyo na lang po mga kaguro and please watch this video. All right, all we have to do is to highlight the areas where we wanted to lock the cells. So in this time, since we only have 3 sections in our school, or in this particular grade level, I mean. So I'll be highlighting here from 0 up to this cell, and then drag all the way down to the last cell of your document. And then right-click in your laptop or PC, and then hit Format Cells. And click right here, Protection, and make sure you have to check the lock option. Okay, so meron na po siyang check, and then hit OK. So there are still parts of the file where I wanted to lock and I wanted to unlock. So in this part, I wanted to make sure that from section 1 to 3 down to um, number 20 will be unlocked so that they can encode their data. So hit in protection and make sure na-uncheck po yung lock right here because this will be the parts wherein they can only encode data. So in this part, the total, since we have formula here, so we make sure na hindi ma-delete yung formula dito. So i-highlight lang po natin ang part na ito and then hit format cell and protection and make sure na nakalock po yan. And another thing, make sure na unlock po yung number of test takers since they will be encoding in this part. So make sure na unlock po dito. Okay. And here in the mean and the MPS, we have also a formula here. And we don't want our user to delete or remove this one. So we'll be going to lock this. Okay, so nakalock na po. And this part, I believe they will encode it manually. So make sure na unlock po yung part na ito. So make sure na uncheck po. So meaning on the parts wherein they have to manually encode the data must be unlocked, and the part of the file wherein my formula must be locked so that hindi po ma-remove or ma-delete yung formula. Okay? So in this part, so we need to unlock this one. So let's highlight lang po and then format cells. So dapat naka-uncheck po kasi they will be encoding the number of males and females here. Okay, so I just going to make sure na in this part, in this cell E, must be locked po kasi supposed to be it will be section 4 since we only have 3 sections in our and in this particular grade level. So make sure na this cell all the way down will be locked. Okay. Format cells again and make sure na naka-check po and then hit OK. So we have already selected the parts wherein naka-lock and naka-unlock. So what we're going to do is to protect this sheet. Okay, so this is the name of this sheet is language 3, and I'm going to right click on this one and choose all the way down to protect sheet. And you have to make sure na naka-check po yung select lock cells, select unlock cells, and the first 3 options here. And then you have to put your password. In this part, in this part mga kaguro, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 passwords. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then hit OK. You have to type your password 1, 2, 3, and then hit OK. So in this part mga kaguro, nakalock na po siya. If we're going to double click on the cells where we have locked a while ago, then it will prompt you a message that the cell or chart you're trying to change is protected sheet. To make a change or unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So if you wanted to unlock all of this, it's very easy. All you have to do is to unprotect using the password. All right, mga kaguro. So let's check if the parts that we have left unlocked is still working, or maybe, or let's check kung pwede bang maka-encode dito. Okay? So, nakaka-encode po tayo. All right, so we only have 3 sections here. So let's delete. Okay. Or let's try to check kung gagana ba lahat. All right, so gumagana po siya. So tatlong section lang po, and then highlight all the way down here. All right, so on the parts where we have password, so definitely it's lock. All right, so we are free to go, and we are really sure that this file, when it reached to our teachers, we are confident na hindi po nila ma-delete yung formula na na-protect po natin dito. All right, thank you so much mga kaguro, and have a great day.